Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can see your regularity chart on the Sleep as Android app. To see your regularity chart, you can go right here, then tap on Charts. Here, tap right here and scroll up to see regularity. It's near the top. Just tap on regularity and you're going to see the chart of your regularity. Now you can change the period across which you want to see it. For example, 14 weeks, a week, a month, a quarter of the year. You can use the filters to look at tags, for example, just workdays, just weekdays. Regularity, you can also choose regularity minutes, that is how many minutes you are off of being fully regular with your sleep. You can also look at regularity plus minus, that is how much your regularity improved in the given night, how much it went down. Red being, of course, how much it got worse, and blue is how much better it went. The same filters apply to all of these, of course. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.